Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. We're out here again in Kansas City. We have started laying the brick back in a vertical position alongside this house here. A lot of that brick, there's basically two layers. The outer layer is what was leaning and bulging outward. So now we are getting the bricks cleaned up and getting it realigned with new high-strength concrete mortar. You can see what was previously applied back here. So the stuff that we're using is much higher quality, much more structurally sound. And one thing I wanted to point out, when we get done with all the brick here, we're gonna paint all of the wall again that we replaced with the same color paint that was used on the existing brick that we haven't touched here. So it'll look like there's a decent gap of mortar between all the bricks, but that will all get painted over at the end. Should look very nice once everything's finished. So we are, it's a little cold right now to do the mortar mix until later this afternoon, so we're just gonna keep cleaning the rest of the bricks off so everything's ready to roll once it warms up just a little bit here in a bit. So stay tuned for more updates. We're gonna be at this for quite a while, getting all of these bricks relayed. The first few rows are gonna be the more difficult part of it, but once we get rolling, it should go pretty quickly. So again, stay tuned for those updates. You can find them on our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, again, we'd really appreciate if you leave a like and subscribe. It's a great way to educate yourselves on proper foundation repair. If you're dealing with any kind of what you believe to be a foundation issue, I'd highly encourage you to visit us on those pages and take a look at our videos, because you will more than likely find the proper way to fix whatever issue it is that you're seeing. So again, that's King Piers LLC, YouTube and Facebook. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.